A piece of cake. An easy task. For example, solving the Wordle every day was just a piece of cake. Time is money. To work quickly in the time that is left. For example, the manager encouraged the employees to realize that time is money and work harder. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret carelessly. For example, Adharsh just let the cat out of the bag by revealing the gender of the baby. Elephant in the room. A controversial problem or a major issue. For example, we had to identify the elephant in the room before we made a decision. Worth its weight in gold. To be highly valuable. For example, every word of what you say is worth its weight in gold. To weather the storm. To go through something difficult. For example, my mom taught me how to stand strong and weather the storm. On top of the world. A state of extreme happiness. For example, Nia seemed to be on top of the world since she heard the news of her son's promotion. Cost an arm and a leg. Used to refer to something that is extremely expensive. For example, I think it will cost an arm and a leg to get the car my brother wants. To say in a nutshell. To sum up the points and be brief. For example, the teacher asked us to quote the findings in a nutshell. Get your act together. To stop fooling around and do something in the way it should be done. For example, it is time you get your act together and do something useful.